Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm going to build on something we started a couple of weeks ago in Shotcut, and that was the cover grow from zero. What about if you could make your cover rotate as well, a little like in the old films where they had the newspaper rotate as they showed you a headline? Here's what we did before. I'm just going to make a copy of that clip so we don't have to do the grow keyframe again. Rotate is in the same filter, the size, position and rotate filter. So all I'm going to do is place my cursor at the beginning of the clip and click on the keyframe timer for rotation. We're already at 0, so I'm going to count out 5 frames, change the rotation to 90 degrees, another 5 to 180, another 5 to 270, and another 5 to 360. I'm using the cursor keys to space back and forwards 1 frame. You just have to click on the marker to make sure it's active. This gives me 1 full rotation, which looks like this. Personally, I think this is enough. But what if you wanted a longer rotation, to go round twice? Just continue on with the 90, 180, 270 and 360 again? Let's try that. Now, see what happens when we play it. Can you see that glitch? What that is doing is basically rewinding. It's very quick, but it is noticeable. So my solution is this. Which looks like this. Thanks for watching, and if you subscribed, I'll see you again next time.